ma'am, may surprising something on your part for the audience as the story progresses? I mean, masusurprise ba sila sa character?
Feeling ko naman, may mga ganong effect din. May mga scenes dito na I remember saying yung story ko namin, na sinabi ko, challenge ko yung cast. Sabi ko, magpagalingan tayo sa show na to. Kasi gusto ko my motivation for saying that was, gusto kong malabas namin yung best ng isa't isa. We want to push each other. And natutuwa ako na on the set, ramdam kong yung competition, but it's healthy, you know? Parang when we see someone doing a good job, isa sa amin, yung nagiging reaction ng iba, sige, game ako din, tara, take tayo. Ganon. Parang ganon yung nagiging effect. And because of that, feeling ko yun yung sagot sa answer niyo po na may mga bago, hindi lang po sa akin, sa aming lahat, na makikita dito sa show na to. Exciting, di ba? Excited ka na ba?
Yes. Anyways, thank you and congrats.